Flores, and I'm with Judicial Process and Support. We're a process serving company in Miami, Florida, and we specialize in international service process. Today I want to talk to you about service to India. When we file documents here in the United States, either family documents or civil commercial documents, legal documents, and we file them in any part of our country in the United States, whether it's state court or federal court, and we want to serve them in India, we would do that through a process called Hague Convention. Under the Hague Convention, there's an actual application that you must complete in order to process the request. Also, there's a special package that must be sent. There's no translation since English is the official language of India. And once everything is prepared and according to their request, then everything is shipped. Now, when we're doing service to India, sometimes service will take 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. India is one of those countries where they don't specifically have a timeline. I've been very successful. Sometimes we've gotten the paper served within a couple months. Sometimes it's taken even 8 to 9 months. So it's one of those countries where we don't know exactly what the process is internally that's making them have such a greater delay. But I can tell you that we specialize in service to India because we do service to India at least once a month. Now, in this particular case that I'm going to show you, when you use our company, everything is identified into our database and a special job number is assigned to your case so that when you call us, we know right away where your case is and what has been done. In this particular matter, when we sent the application, we ended up staying with this file, which is not a very thick file because this case pertained to a family matter. But then service was completed within a 6-month process. Within a 6-month process, what ends up happening is then we get an affidavit, and this is the envelope in which the affidavit came, and that is certified back to us directly so that we receive it, and then we receive different internal letters that were prepared by either the court system or the central authority, and then together we end up getting more letters, the internal process that was done, and the actual affidavit. In addition, when the application is sent, the application is then returned with different stamps and dates so that we know, in our court system here in the United States knows that this was actually processed. And what's nice, when we send papers to India, this is the actual report from the officer doing the service, where he actually wrote in everything by hand as to what transpired. This was a successful service. It required us to make numerous phone calls to the central authority. We made follow-ups. We have strategies in place to make sure that papers get served, and if they don't get served, we have strategies in place to make sure that your court system knows that the actual process was done and completed, and there's an actual affidavit that goes to the client. So if you have service to India or anywhere in the world, please consider us. Again, you will get your affidavit completed by the country, and that will be filed with the court system here in the United States. Thank you.